Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2020 edition Audi A3 Saloon S-Line, complemented in the metallic Mythos Black paintwork, housing your efficient S-tronic transmission and delivering 150 PS, making this the perfect city runaround. With plenty of top features, alongside being complemented by your S-Line styling, you do have enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights, and sitting comfortably on your 18-inch alloy wheels. You do also have further protection from your power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors, and even the convenience of an electronic boot release, exposing plenty of space inside, easily accommodating all of your daily essentials. And step into the rear, you will find absolute luxury with a full leather upholstery with access to your pull down armrest and a central climate vents. In the front, you will find your S multifunction leather steering wheel, central touch display, and the modernised edge of your S embossed badging. Looking at the steering wheel in further detail, you can see an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, audio, and even your navigation, with the added bonus of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have some access again with a wide selection of radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity, and of course on-screen navigation to help you find your way. For a more tailored driving experience, you do also have your Audi Drive Select, complete with your efficiency and comfort modes, alongside your driving assistance features, again for further safety, including your lane departure warning. And comfort is enhanced just below with your main climate control options, alongside your handy power outlets, cup holders, and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.